guys, and Winani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am blessed, and this vlog will be all about showing up for my physical, mental, and holistic well-being. Thank you for being here, and I hope that you thoroughly enjoy the moments where I am literally just administrating the most ordinary adulting moments in a way that empowers me, in a way that nourishes me, that takes care of myself holistically, and just continuing to move forward. And starting the morning off, with empowerment of the mind, of the body, is exactly what I did here. I took a morning hike, a morning walk in nature, realigning my energies, and just authentically showing up for myself.
It's so serene and beautiful here.
I hope that you enjoy this vlog, and I hope that you do find little nuggets along the way that just remind you that ordinary moments are truly, truly important.
But a girl is done with the hike. I just finished my morning walk, and yeah, I'm ready to go. A matter of heading out. Here we go. We evaded the pole. There we go.
New paper towel that I want to try out. I saw that it comes up with 500 sheets. 200 sheets, and I think that is pretty great because I'm constantly like wiping down surfaces and so forth. So let's see. I really want to see how different it's going to be from like my regular paper towels. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. It doesn't tear nicely, but the block is big.
me. Where is that coming from? That's your nuts.
After spending the rest of the week working through a very long week, I decided to end the week with some flower therapy. I've always loved how something so small, such as being bought flowers, can completely change the feeling of a space. It can elevate, just an ordinary home to feel like a sanctuary, but also to pour back into yourself. I hope that you enjoy. Peace. I love him. For a long time, I thought that progress would feel much bigger than this, like something that I would immediately recognize. But day by day, I've started to appreciate the gracious days, the ordinarily extraordinary days. Days where I get to move my body and nourish myself, take care of a few responsibilities, enjoy something beautiful, and just keep moving forward. So please keep moving forward too.
Love is so